I'm Mr. Lettinen. I'm the auto body instructor here at GICCA. As we all know, automotives are out there every day. They're growing. There's a lot of them on the road, and unfortunately, there's also accidents that happen. So what we do is we teach you how to repair those. There's a big demand on workers that we need to do these skills. It's kind of died off a little bit, so we're trying to get you students to get your hands dirty a little bit, get a little bit of dust on your clothes, and to get out there and do some of this work. What we do here, we have some of these panels that we do some work with. We do some test panels first before you get actually put onto a bigger vehicle. All right, so once you kind of graduate from doing these small tasks, we get you into doing actual vehicles, small repairs, even some of the larger repairs. We have another facility, we have another building out in the back that has a spray booth that will do the paint work. A good, clean environment is what we want for the best type of paint work that we can provide. So that's what we do here at the GICCA. If you want to come check us out, you want to come into my class, we can give you all the basics that you can learn. Come check us out. It's a lot of fun. Glad to have you.